If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Merck and Company with the ticker symbol MRK. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for MRK. Looks like back in February there was the start of a uptrend, which got a little too aggressive because we had a breakout on the top side. Price action was far away from the EMA, so eventually we're going to pull back to the EMA, which we did, and we had a breakout on this side because the market is symmetrical. Normally we don't just reverse, usually we get two legs up to a new high. This is the first leg up right here. We pulled back, made the second leg up. We even exceeded the measured move before finding a very strong resistance right around this 94.50 level. So it looks like we're still finding resistance around this 94.50 level, and the $1,000,000 question is, are we going to break it and continue higher, or are we just going to fall back down? Well, again, most likely we could probably continue higher. I'd probably say a 60 to 65% chance we could continue higher, because that's the bias is towards the upside. But we can't ignore that we're finding a lot of resistance here, so we could just fall back down into a probably sideways pattern and maybe do something like this for the foreseeable future. But there is a measured move target that is higher. If we do break out towards the top side, where are we going to go? I see that we can reach triple digits, and if we do that, the first target is right around the 102.79 level. I'll mark with the horizontal line, and I could do another measured move for this move up right here. And if we are in the phase for the second leg, then this one's right around the 105 level. So triple digits, the low triple digits, 102 to 105 is probably my target. If we break out of this 94.50 level, I think we can reach that target. Now again, if we start trending down, breaking this EMA and reaching probably the 80s or even this mid 80s, price action probably wants to reach the lower side of a potential range around the $83 level. So I'm not 100% sure which way we're gonna go, because we could go both ways. That's why you can see that traders are starting to be indecisive. That's why you see the price action kind of going sideways, because before you saw this massive momentum to the top side, but you see that this 94.50 level was just a wall. We ran right into it. Bulls ran right into this wall, bounced off of it, bounced off the EMA, and now we're just kind of bouncing off the 94.50 level. So still deciding which way to go for traders, and I think eventually they want to push out the market. But even though we could reach these targets, we could still come down just a little bit more, maybe even back down to the $83 level before continuing higher. So either way, I'm still looking for higher price targets. We've been going up for quite a long time, even though we had a range for several years. But you can see that the overall bias is still up pretty much since 2008. So again, the overall bias is up, but the market has been doing these up moves and then sideways patterns for quite a long time. So that's everything I see in the daily chart. Looks like we had a nice move up. Now we're just kind of stalling out right around the highs of this up move at the 94.50 level. If we do break it, we're going to reach triple digits, probably the 102, 103 level. But if we find resistance and sell off, just like what we did in the past over here back in late May to early to mid June, then again we can see another drop off. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for MRK. It looks like the support was right around this level for the range, and we were finding resistance right around that $84 level for since pretty much April of 2020 before we see this breakout right now. So if we do break outside of our range and it is successful, which looks like this one probably is, then we could reach the, again, 99.50 level. So I think we can reach the triple digits, and maybe we are also in the process of making a second leg up. which we did make a second leg up, but if we make a perfect measured move, this one's right around the $100 level. So it looks like I said before, low triple digits is my target if bulls keep on pushing the market up. It looks like they can, because if I connect the swings, it looks like we've been bouncing off the support side of this trend line multiple times. You can see that prices continue to make higher lows right over here several times before seeing a nice move up. We got a bounce from the EMA. Looks like we're headed to the opposite side of the channel, which again, right where the measure move is the low 100. So that's my next target for MRK. If we fail to reach that target because we found resistance at this 94.50 level, then we're gonna fall back down, maybe even back down to the support side of this channel, or even the $83 level first. And then if we don't find any support there, we're gonna probably reach the $75 level. But if I were to bet, I think we're gonna reach triple digits before seeing some type of sell-off or some type of sideways action in the market. So that's everything I have for MRK on the daily and weekly charts. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.